Alright guys, I'm in the old but new chicken coop. Obviously the center section right here is about 5'4", but the dimensions are actually 4 by 6. Got the little doors down there, a couple roosts, heat lamp, nesting boxes are back here. That's where I gotta climb out. Take you guys with me. I believe this is day 217, so welcome to the day, baby. Welcome. Alright, so my next order of business is to throw the door on here. I got some hinges right there. We're gonna get a quick door going. And then, yeah, this is the setup. I want a trip. So we got a run with the pink coupe, Barbie house, and it's inside another run. So our plan kind of for this, see this is all fenced in over here. Our final plan is to make sure this is all sealed up and let them out in here every day, and then get them in there every night. Close the door there. So here comes Aiden with the food and water and Riff and Raff. Our outside gentlemen, twin boys. They have a brother named Tico who's a lot more shy, but here's Riff and Raff. They're pretty cute, even though they're not super friendly, but every now and then you can pet them. So we're gonna fill our new food and water things and then start bringing out some birds. See you then. Here comes our main man, Sarge, who's in charge. And I blocked it so you could put him right in there. Guess what, Sarge? Don't worry. This is gonna be a good one. Yeah. What do you think, buddy? Feeling the wind in your feathers? Don't worry, your flock will come. Sarge and Lieutenant Dan. Alright, I'm gonna do this. What do you guys think? Pretty cool? Hey, Lieutenant Dan. What do you guys think? Pretty nice digs, huh? Hi, Sarge. Very nice. And then from the other side, I need to get a lock, but we got some zip ties for now. And there we go, boom. Hi, chickens. So, I don't know. What do you think, Mom? Pretty good digs? Here you go, Mom. This one's for you. We got the Pearl chicken crib, 2 roosts, nesting boxes, boom. Secure it like this. And then, boom! Look at all those happy chickens. Water, food, toys, and a bunch of happy babies. Hi, Lieutenant Dan. Pretty good. What do you think, Mom? So this whole thing is fenced in. Gotta go through the door. So they will have all this. Once they know this is their house, because they're such habitual animals, then they'll have all this space to roam around. I'll just leave their door open and they'll be able to go all the way to over here. And then they'll have all that, because this is closed in on the top. So, but they need to know this is their house first, because otherwise they will try to make a house somewhere else, and that's how they got killed last time. So yeah, this whole area is theirs, closed in. All the way to the top, closed in over there. So, peace. There's no horse out there, just a Mercedes, but look at all the tumbleweeds gathering. Trying to come in my door. Look at them all tumbling away. Last time we had airborne attack through. I'll show you actually. You see that? So we got all the predator eyes on every side, the top, but it looks like nobody messed with anything. How'd you guys do in there? Pretty good? Good morning, Sarge. Good boy. Good morning. Hi, good morning. Good morning. None of them have names yet. They love their feeder. Good job. Somebody pooped in the water though. Two more white girls in there. Sarge will mess you up, boy. Sarge is in charge, Lieutenant Dan. All right, good job. Okay. That's awesome. Oh, hey Riff Raff. Hi. Hi, Fluffy Bunny. This is his house. They live here. Riff Raff and Chico. They got their own 40-foot camper, so lucky them. Beautiful morning though, but I gotta go deal with car stuff that I don't want to. Yay. Very successful first 24 hours. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the new chicken setup and their coop and everything we got going for them. They're such good chickens, I'm so proud. And we got some eggs, so that's exciting. They're laying like normal, they're transitioning well. They're going to bed in their coop every night, so can't ask for more. Thank you so much to my mom for helping with that. But if you guys enjoyed, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget, subscribe if you're new. I'm doing a giveaway 1,000 subscribers. You won't want to miss it. Till tomorrow, you guys. Much love, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace. Sorry.